guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 through 72 GM A-body clutch bell crank linkage kits by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. In this day and age, a manual clutch system is a dying breed among modern cars. Fortunately, Original Parts Group has all the right restoration parts to keep your clutch bell crank linkage kit performing just like new. This comprehensive kit comes with the bell crank rebuild kit, return springs, spring clips, clutch pedal push rod, clutch adjuster rod, ball stud frame bracket, push rod boot, and clutch rod boot. If a complete kit is not needed, we also offer each part individually. Available for small block and big block applications, each bell crank is manufactured from the same factory steel and finished with black paint to protect it from rust and corrosion for years to come. Your clutch will operate just as smooth as it did coming off the factory line. We've sold these to thousands of satisfied customers and will continue to provide you with the highest quality products and customer service in the industry. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.